boxes. So here I'm opening the Accio. This is the first time I've done it. And obviously because of book covers, and obviously this is September's, and you can only get Year 7's book cover in there. I'll just open that. Be a little tissue paper. Fancy. Yeah, you don't need that. Ta-da. Envelope, which has got. Oh, that's cool. It's a replica. It's a invitation to Bill and Claire's wedding. I thought that's a cool touch to the box. And there's still around Year 7. So there's a little Deathly Hallows wooden ornament. So that will be on my Christmas tree when I do something in double wrap. What is this? It's some type of all is well fragrance oil, jasmine and sandalwood. I haven't got my burner. I don't know where my oil burner is at the moment, but I haven't got any oils to put in it. It's really cool. Then we have a sticker. Not a sticker, it's a stamp. Pin of Deathly Hallows. It's a Muggle-born sisters pin of Deathly Hallows. That's cool. Move these ones in a packet. T-shirt. Just it's soft. Let's keep it. Stay safe. Potter watch. Keep the faith up. That's cool. Not to the what was it? A nod to the radio station. Hoping to the book covers. One is book 7's book cover, and the other one is where I have it. The other one is a replacement one for book. This one is book 7, so, which is pretty cool. And I haven't got the cover of the actual books that they go on, so I'll have to get the books when I get to it. When I get it, I'll have to wait. But when the other ones are coming, I'll get them. This one must be a replacement book for replacement, I think. Yeah, this is replacement. That's the book. That was knocked up. I don't know. There's a cheat sheet. So, book 7. All good things must come to an end. And this is the last of our exciting series of books themed around the books themselves. Each box featured items inspired by 7 individual stories that make up one of the greatest, literally, I can't say that word at the moment, the epic of all time, including one series of items you could collect over all 7 boxes. Each item in this month is unique, exclusive item, and we hope you love it as much as we enjoyed putting it together. Potter Watch Super Soft Tea. Lee Jordan, what an icon. He went from being technically the greatest Quidditch commentator in the school's history, to orders assistance by starting an epic pirate radio station to keep everyone posted on the fight against you-know-who, keep the faith with this soft navy blue t-shirt featuring the Potter Watch slogan in gold and white. Not one of our favourite parts. Book 7. All is Well Fragrance Oil by Highland Bluff Studio. Sorry about that. We love us some Highland Bluff Studio. So we were super excited with this to commission this uplifting custom fragrance for our box this month. Featured jasmine and sandalwood. It's a blend of soft floral notes with salty highlights that will make you feel as though every little thing is gonna be alright. Or find more magical scents on their website highlandbluffstudio.com. Oh, it's okay. I thought it was a Christmas ornament. The Freshly Hollows is this wooden air freshener. You didn't think we're going to give you amazing. Sorry, amazing fragrance oil with no way to use it. Did you? These beautiful, made pieces designed in-house by CEO, and crafted in Ohio by Accio Tags, a small business specialising in reusable wooden fragrances to use. Just place the freshener in the bag you provided with your oil and add 15 to 20 drops of oil. Rub the oil into the wood through the bag and let it sit for 6 to 12 hours to let it soak in. It's ready to use. Visit lotags.com to learn more about how to use and care for your air freshener. So that's it. It's an air freshener. I thought it was which we could probably use it as both. Three Brothers pin by Muggle-born sisters. There once were 3 brothers who were travelling along a lonely, windy road at twilight. Or maybe it was depends on who you ask. This beautiful pin features, I wouldn't say that the brothers, we know who they are. In a gold tone metal silhouetted against a black metal background. It's an exclusive colour variety just pack your box. It won't be reproduced. Visit mugglebornsisters.com for more magical designs. I'm not sure if I got any stuff from Magical Born Sisters. Oh, maybe the coins, I'm not sure. There's a couple, 3 coins that I've got. I think they might be them. And Darkest Arts exclusive book cover. We're excited about this collaboration with Denny McMurray, known in the fandom for his amazing YouTube channel, Muggle Magic IY. He's designed a cover to fit each of the 7 books, and you won't find these elsewhere. You can also check out Danny's magical designs and DIYs at youtube.com/muggleMagic. And Weasley wedding replica invitation. You were invited to the most magical wedding of the year. The year 1994. That is. This paper replica was designed and produced in-house just for our Accio box subscribers, so you can't get it anywhere else. P.S. Say hello to Great Metal for us. So that's pretty cool. There's like 1, 2, 6 items. I really, obviously the covers I love. I think I'm going to say these 2. Obviously the wedding invitation. I love the wedding invitation. It's so I think we have never seen anything like that for one of them anywhere to feature anything to do with Bill and Fleur's wedding. You know, subscription books before, so that's really cool. I love it, and I love my paper replicas. And the air fresh, which I probably might end up using as a Christmas ornament. So, but it's just my own personal opinion. But anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also comment on what your favourite box was. Bye!